Good afternoon, I'm Mayor Michelle Delisfort here today on Friday, May 22nd, 2020 with another COVID-19 update for the Township of Union. In addition to being the unofficial start of summer, Memorial Day is a day to honor every service member who has fought for our country and given his or her life to protect the American civil liberties. More specifically, our freedom, liberty, and democracy. I ask you to take a moment to reflect on how, in large part due to those who sacrificed their life in service to our country, we have the right to speak openly, charter our own paths, pursue our own dreams, which means various things to different people. Thank you to all of our veterans for the ultimate sacrifices you've made for our country. Here are the highlights from today's call. The governor has signed an executive order to change the allowable number of people who can gather outdoors from 10 to 25 effective immediately. And guidance on graduations will be released on Tuesday. Today's numbers. During today's daily call with state, county, and local officials, it was announced that New Jersey recorded another 1,394 new positive tests for a total of at least 152,719 total positive results in New Jersey. Unfortunately, 10,985 people have died since the first positive test was announced on March 4th. In Union County, there are at least 15,191 confirmed cases and a total of 1,018 deaths. In the Township of Union, there are 1,699 confirmed positive cases, and sadly, 67 people in the township have passed. And as of today, 1,255 people have fully recovered. For an update of cases by county, you can visit the dashboard available at the link below. Social distancing. Shoretown mayors predict Memorial Day crowds will maintain social distancing. Local officials pledge to keep people safe as towns seek to rebound from 2 months of restrictions. State unemployment rates. New Jersey unemployment rates soared to 15.3% in April as the pandemic slammed the labor market. The state labor commissioner said is the state's highest unemployment rate since record-keeping began in 1976 and exceeded the national rate, which hit 14.7% in April. Voluntary furloughs of public employees. The Murphy administration announced policy changes that would allow New Jersey government workers to take voluntary furloughs to avert layoffs as state tax collections plummet. The governor, whose administration has lowered its revenue projections over this year and next by $10 billion, has warned of historic layoffs of public workers at all levels of government if the state does not borrow big sums or receive more aid from the federal government. Small business grants. The New Jersey Economic Development Authority's new $50 million small business grant program will provide grants of up to $10,000 to qualified businesses and set aside $15 million of the grants for firms located in opportunity zones. More details are expected later today. VA medics expanding their mission. Yesterday, Governor Murphy announced that medics from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs will remain at state veteran homes through June, and 40 additional clinical staff from the VA will be deployed to private nursing homes as the COVID-19 has claimed the lives of thousands of elderly New Jerseyans. Memorial Day weekend cruising for a cause. Due to inclement weather predicted for tomorrow, May 23rd, the Memorial Day weekend cruising for a cause car parade will be postponed to the scheduled rain date, Sunday, May 24th, starting at 11 a.m. from Union High School. For more events, please visit uniontownship.com. The drive-through food pantry. MTN Organization's drive-through food pantry at Jefferson Elementary School will be held tomorrow, Saturday, May 23rd, from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. to help the families who have been impacted by COVID-19. Each box of food, which will be placed in the trunks of respective vehicles, will consist of non-perishable food items to feed a family of 4 for 1 week. We ask that you stay in your vehicle, keep all windows rolled up. Unless you have a question only, crack your window and please remember to wear a mask. Be prepared to have the box placed in the trunk of your car. If the trunk does not open by popping it, we ask that it be placed in the back seat and that you still remain inside the vehicle. A special thank you to Maxon Route 22 for making a $2,400 donation to the cause. The Union Economic Relief Survey. The COVID-19 pandemic is a public health crisis that has enormous implications on our local businesses. The federal government has passed a $2 trillion aid package with more money to follow for sole proprietors and businesses to maintain basic operations and to reset and thrive during and following the pandemic. We're asking all business owners and commercial property owners to visit unioncentersid.com to complete our online survey to help us better understand your needs. Lawn Sign Fundraiser. The Township of Union and the Union Center SID are pleased to offer an opportunity for our residents to show their appreciation to our frontline workers with a thank you lawn sign fundraiser. Each sign costs $10. Fundraiser proceeds will go towards local small business relief. Signs will be available for pickup starting next week. For more details, visit uniontownship.com. Front Steps Projects of Union. The purpose of this project is to bring us closer as a community to overcome the isolation some of us are feeling right now. By sharing professional photos of families from their front steps taken by Union-based photographer Alan Ryder, who will be donating his services, we hope to bring you closer with the friends and neighbors you miss spending time with or seeing around town. Participating families will pose for their photo from the front of their home while the photographer remains a safe distance away to snap the picture. The photo will be emailed to the family once processed and will also be shared on our social media at Township Union, New Jersey, and on our website. In return, we're asking the participating families to make a donation to the Township of Union Food Pantry to help support those in our community who are struggling to provide food for their families. Now more than ever, it's important that we support each other and show our union pride. Limited slots are available. If you'd wish to schedule your family portrait today, visit our website. Social Distancing Poster Contest. Thank you to all those that have already submitted their posters. If you haven't yet, you still have time to create a fun and colorful poster for our Social Distancing Poster Design Contest. Email a digital copy or photo of your poster to publicinfo@uniontownship.com. The contest deadline is Sunday, May 24th. Finally, please respond online to the 2020 census. I'm proud to announce that the Township of Union continues to maintain a higher self-response rate than the County of Union, the State of New Jersey, and nationally. We currently have a self-response rate of 69.2%. Don't forget that you can respond by mail, online at 2020census.gov, or by calling 844-330-2020 and select your preferred language. Remember, the Township of Union is counting on you. Lastly, to obtain information and websites of essential resources, please visit the Township's website, uniontownship.com, and our social media platforms via @TownshipUnion, New Jersey. Stay safe this holiday weekend, and now more than ever, keep practicing social distancing. Thank you.